How to get Monzo phone insurance. In today's video, I will guide you the whole process. To get Monzo phone insurance, you need to apply through the Monzo insurance portal and provide a proof of purchase that includes the phone IMEI number. The portal can be used to start the application process where you will submit the necessary documents. Then you have to follow this instruction for phones worth up to Euro 2000 including VAT includes Euro 75 excess for successful claim. Cosmetic damage like scratches and dents are not covered. So for that you have four options. You can collect and repair yourself, get your damaged phone picked up directly from your doorstep and taken for repair. You will need to pay a Euro 50 fee on the top of Euro 75. You can also use DPD drop off a 3000 location option. You will need to pay that Euro 75 excess for a successful claim. And there is also a same-day replacement option. If your lost or stolen phone claim is approved by 1 p.m., you may be able to get this opportunity. Here you will need to pay a Euro 50 fee on the top of Euro 75 excess for a successful claim. The alternative options are mail in your damaged device or visit a local Pocket Greek store where available. You will need to pay the Euro 75 excess for a successful claim. And that's all. That's how you will get your Monzo phone insurance done.